Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to do two very simple equations when done right for simple algebra. First one is actually pretty easy. We're going to start with the box and whisker plot. So you're going to start with the range of numbers, could be from 1 to 100 or whatever you get. And first thing you want to do is put them in numerical order, which means least to biggest. And when you have that done, you want to find the median, which is the middle number. So if you have an odd number, you should have one number. If you have an even number, you should have two. When you have two, you're going to add them up, and you're going to divide, and you're going to get 35. So now that we have 35, we have the median. So that's half the work for the basket whisker plot. Now we just to find the lower quartile and the upper quartile. And for this set, it's going to be 20 and 50. What I like to do is I like to cut it in half. So 10, 20, 30, you cut it in half and then find the middle number, which would be 20, and then say then this one would be 50. It'd be the same thing. And so then you have half the work done, and now you're on to the next step, which is the number line. So once you have the number line, you get the number line out, and then you plot your points. So first thing you plot is the lowest number, which would be 10. It's plotted, and then you do your lower quartile, which is 20. That's plotted. And then you go to your median, which is the probably like the middle number. You go to 35. That's plotted, and then you go to the upper quartile, which is 50, plotted, and then this biggest number, which is 60, and then you do whiskers, which is from the minimum to the lower quartile and the maximum to the upper quartile, and then you do a line down for the median. Quite easy, nothing too hard. The next equation I'm going to show you is a quadratic formula or a quadratic equation, and these are a little harder because there's a lot more steps, but it's not necessarily harder. It's just there's more steps. So you can start off with the equation, which I got 2x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. And so you're just going to really, all you have to do is plug in. Once you plug in, everything is just straightforward. So the formula would be x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And since we have equal to 0, we have to equal to 0. So what I did is I plugged in the equation, plugging in 6x, which is the b, because it would go first number is a, second number is b, third number is c, so it would go like that. So then b would be the first number, and I literally just plug it in until I get to my last step, which means I'll finish doing all the equations, and it will be up to the last step. Once you're at the last step, you equal both answers to 0, and those are your two answers. Thank you so much. That is all for today. Thank you.